What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be talking about if you're trying to do merch by Amazon but not having much success, then come and give this a go. I'll show you what that is in a minute. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So if you're interested in that, go hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So, merch by Amazon. Have you tried doing that and have you not had much success? Well, if not, come and try this and give it a go. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about Amazon KDP and selling low content books. Now, if you've been in the merch game for a while, you've more than likely heard about this. But seriously, you should come and give it a go, because selling low content books there's nowhere near as much competition as there is with selling merch by Amazon. So if we scroll down, we can see these are all my books. I am going to blur out my covers, but as you can see, I have quite a lot of books. 10 books to a page. I now have over 500. Now, this is where it gets interesting. So if you're creating t-shirt designs, then start putting them on notebooks as well. And come and create an Amazon KDP account. You can literally be set up in seconds and have your first book published by the end of the day. And the good thing with KDP, there's no tiers. So you can come straight in and start creating 10 books, 20 books, 30 books. It's totally up to you. So what do I mean by these notebooks? Let me show you an example. So these are someone else's notebooks I have pulled up. You can see that they more than likely do merch as well, or print on demand. And all they've done is put this design onto a notebook. So let's open the notebook. Do that. Let's just zoom out. So they've got their design that they've created, and all they've done is created an interior, which is the notebook, which is just lined paper. So once you create this interior, you can then use the same interior with different designs. Now, if you don't know how to create the interior, then don't worry, because in a minute I'm going to show you where you can get that completely for free. But if you have a bunch of designs which you've been doing on merch, come over to KDP, start putting them on notebooks, because I think if you're struggling with merch, you'll have much more success with KDP and low content books. Now, where can you get a free interior for your notebooks if you just want to give this a go? Well, come over to Stackers Inner Circle. There will be a link in the description down below. It's completely free to join. But in this inner circle, I have provided a few different interiors so you can get started straight away. And if you watch this video, this is actually part of my course, the Printing Profits course, where I teach you how to start a low content book business. But all you have to do is come in, watch this video so you know how to get the right dimensions for your books. So you could do that. We create them in Canva. You can get your design, put it on a cover, get this just here, which is the interior, put it together and upload it to Amazon KDP, and bam, you're going to have your first book published. Really, really easy. So come and join the Stackers Inner Circle to get your free interior. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you start doing this if you're struggling with merch, because you might find it a hell of a lot easier to sell your designs on notebooks than you are with t-shirts. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.